Airlines make billions from hidden fees every year. But what if I told you there are ways to beat their system? Today, I'm revealing 10 airport hacks they'd rather you never find out about. Air travel doesn't have to be expensive, stressful, or frustrating. But airlines and airports count on you not knowing that. In this video, we're diving deep into insider secrets that can save you hundreds of dollars, hours of time, and maybe even score you a better seat for free. Stick around until the end because hack number 10 is one almost no one talks about, but it can completely change the way you travel forever. 1. Search in incognito mode. Ever notice flight prices suddenly go up after you search for them a few times? That's because websites use cookies to track your activity. Opening a private window on your browser, or clearing cookies, keeps your searches anonymous, preventing price hikes based on your behavior. 2. Use a VPN to find cheaper fares. Airlines and booking sites sometimes offer different prices depending on your country or region. By using a VPN and setting your location to a country with lower average fares, you can unlock cheaper prices. Make sure you compare prices from multiple locations to find the sweet spot. 3. Book flights on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. Most airlines launch their sales early in the week, which means prices on Tuesday or Wednesday are often lower. Avoid booking flights on weekends when demand is higher and prices spike. 4. Consider secondary airports. Major airports often have higher landing fees, which means more expensive tickets. Flying into or out of smaller secondary airports nearby can save you money. For example, instead of flying into a busy international hub, see if there's a regional airport within driving distance. 5. Pack like a pro. Carry on. Only checked baggage fees are a goldmine for airlines. By learning to pack light and use just a carry-on, you avoid those fees completely. And save time by skipping baggage claim. Packing cubes and compression bags can be game changers here. 6. Free seat upgrades. Yes, really. While free upgrades aren't guaranteed, there are ways to increase your chances. Dress neatly, arrive early, and politely ask at the gate if there are any available upgrades. Loyalty program members get first priority, so signing up for the airline's free frequent flyer program can give you an edge. 7. Join loyalty and frequent flyer programs. Even if you don't fly often, these programs can give you perks like priority boarding, free checked bags, and lounge access. Plus, you'll accumulate points that you can redeem for future flights or upgrades. 8. Track prices. After booking, many airlines will refund the difference or give you credit if the price drops after you've booked. But you have to ask. Use price tracking tools like Hopper or Google Flights to monitor changes and contact the airline if the price drops. 9. Bring your own snacks and empty water bottle. Airport food and drinks are notoriously overpriced. Pack your own snacks and bring an empty bottle to refill after security. Many airports now have free water stations, so you never have to pay $5 for water again. 10. Enroll in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. Nothing ruins a trip like standing in a security line for an hour. Programs like TSA PreCheck, US, or Global Entry let you skip the long lines, keep your shoes on, and get to your gate faster. It's a small investment that pays off with every trip. Most travelers never use these hacks, and as a result, they overpay, wait in long lines, and feel frustrated before their trip even begins. Airlines and airports rely on this because uninformed travelers make them more money. Let's think about what happens when you don't know these tips. You pay for extra bags because you overpacked. You spend $50 on a sandwich and drink at the terminal. You arrive late and get stuck with the worst seat on the plane. It's not just about money. It's about stress, time, and the overall experience. But by applying just a few of these hacks, you can flip the script. Imagine breezing through security, boarding with confidence, sitting in a good seat, and saving enough money to spend on experiences at your destination instead of airport fees. The key to stress-free travel isn't luck, it's preparation. Every single hack on this list puts control back in your hands and takes it away from the airline's pricing algorithms and upselling tactics. Once you start applying these, traveling becomes less of a headache and more of an adventure. We've covered 10 powerful hacks today, from using incognito mode to save money, to packing smart and skipping security lines. Each one is simple to try and can make a huge difference in your next trip. The more you prepare, the better your experience will be. Ready for more insider tips? Watch the next video popping up right here and take your travel game to the next level.